class. We've just spent 3 days here with the horse assisted learning. A couple of things really strike me. One is how powerful the learning is when you bypass the mind, when you actually can look at yourself in terms of the authenticity of the way that you communicate with the horse and the feedback that the horse gives you, immediate. There's nothing in between. And how much of our life we spend in our heads, but we're whole people. What I hadn't considered as much before as I did in these few days was the power that has in terms of leading others, the presence that you can bring, and how working with the horse can affirm yourself and the presence that you bring. The second thing for me out of these days was the power of the idea of a herd, and how a horse works with the herd, and how essentially as human beings to think occasionally, if we're a herd, and we're a herd in an organisation, in a company, a team of people trying to achieve something together, then there's a lot to be learned from the understanding of leadership, the role of the leader, the different positions of leadership. I found that very exciting. So thank you very much.
Thank you.